Hello, so I am currently in line to buy Nikki tickets. It says here that there's more than 2,000 plus customers ahead of me, so I know it's gonna be a long wait. If you're wondering why the sudden change of location, I'm actually back at home. I'm in my province for the Christmas break and I'll be staying here for around 3 weeks if I'm not mistaken. Hello there. So I just got my laundry and now I'm going to be fixing it. I'm putting all of my tops here, bottoms here, and then my workout stuff here as well as my undergarments. Here I have all of my white shirts. I'm also going to be keeping my dresses here. Next I have my colored shirts. So these are all of my tops. Next let's move into our bottoms. Also brought home some joggers. I have some pants. Then we have some slacks. And finally we have some skirts. These are all of my bottoms. Here I'm just gonna keep all of my leggings and then my sports bras. This is the last thing I have to do before I go and get groceries. I'm just gonna fill up this clothing rack with some of my stuff that I usually hang up when I'm in the condo. Bread. Oh, got him. I got all my classes. I'm good. Yippee. Mom brought soup. No soup for you. I wish we never learned to fly.
Thank you very much. Now why don't you let me see your little caboose? Hey, Doc, gotta get a yellow.
Of course. Okay, let me try up here.
Good afternoon, everyone. I took a bath and got ready just so I can feel like I'm not such a lazy bum. But I actually don't have any plans for today. My parents are hosting an employee Christmas party later on today, but I don't know what time that is. For now, I think I'm just gonna be decluttering my digital spaces. I haven't done that in a while. Cause someone says there's some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. I'm officially tired of not doing anything. I wanna start doing something with my life again. I think I've rested well enough. Usually on holidays, families go on vacation, but that hasn't been the case for me and my family for a while because me and my siblings, we don't really go home a lot. Me and my siblings all live in Manila and our province is really far away. We just really love being at home when we can. And on top of that, we don't really want to go away from our dogs for a long time. So our inclination to go on vacation is really low. About to take Mickey for a walk, but before I do that, I wanted to show something that I got from Shopee today. This one is from G-Safe. Because I'm gonna be starting with my internship, I want to be as safe as possible, so I got myself a safety kit, and this set just comes with pepper spray, a safety alarm, a multi-purpose tool. So this pepper spray costs $999, but I think I got the whole set for 1,189 pesos. Of course, I got it in pink, and I like this because it has a lock. So if you open it like this, then you can spray, but so long as you have it moved to the side, then it's locked and you cannot spray it. And then aside from the pepper spray, this is what I mainly wanted to get for 1,199 pesos on its own. This is just a safety alarm. This just has a flashlight, and then the second option is like a strobe light, and then if you pull this, it emits a really loud sound, and it comes with a free battery that's supposed to last me for 2 years. And then it also comes with this one. I believe this is for like 199 pesos. This is just a multi-purpose survival tool. I'm not sure if you're allowed to bring this anywhere or if metal detectors are going to be detecting this. It's just a multi-purpose tool. This is everything that comes with it. Just pause it if you need to, and then some instructions at the back. I've had some weird encounters also while I was in Manila, so this is definitely a must-have.
Okay, time to carry.
Hi guys, happy Thursday. So I'm gonna end the video here with a Watson's haul. I went to 2 branches because I couldn't find the things that I was looking for in the first branch. So I only bought a couple of things. First is a toner for my sister. We use the same toner. It's the Quick Effect Spray Toner, but I wasn't able to find it in the first branch, so I opted for this. I feel like this is new. This is from the same line of the spray toner that I use. I'm not sure what the difference is in terms of ingredients. You can apply this with a cotton pad or your hands, so I'll just update you guys on how this does. Then I also bought a serum from Garnier. I already used their micellar water and their face wash, so my routine is basically Quick Effects and Garnier. Then Olay for my moisturizer and Pond's for my sunscreen. So again, we'll see how this works because I have a lot of dark spots currently and this is definitely the perfect time to test this out. I've been getting really bad allergies ever since I got back home, so I also got cetirizine. Next I just got blotting paper. I'm not really particular on what I use. I also bought whitening strips from Perfect Smile. During the pandemic, the brand sent me this along with their teeth whitening line and I really liked it. And the last thing I bought is a lip product from Everbilena. I've been wanting to get a tinted lip balm because if I use the lipsticks, usually my lips crack because they're so dry, so at least this one has moisture. Alright, so that is it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my first week back in the province. I'm very happy to be back and just resting. Happy holidays guys, and I'll see you on my next one.